Hi everyone, in this video we'll be discussing some interesting facts about number 11, and definitely you need to know the magical power of number 11. Why? Because in some of the examinations they will be asking question based upon logic number 11. So after knowing about number 11, definitely you'll be feeling excited to know that. Okay, now if you observe here, any number multiplied with 11, you can get the answer in just 2 seconds of time. Yes, you can get the answer in just 2 seconds of time. Then how to get that answer? It's like really simple. Now if you look at first example, 63 into 11. 63 into 11 is how much? Simple. What you will do is like start from your right hand side and proceed towards your left hand side. Start from your right, proceed towards left. As last digit is 3, write that 3. Okay, next. Now what you will do is like 3 plus 6. What is 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6 is 9. So write that 9. Next, you have 6. So write that 6. Answer will be 6, 9, 3. That's it. As simple as that. Start from your right hand side and proceed towards left hand side. Last digit is 3. Write that 3. Next, 3 plus 6 is 9. Write that 9. After that you have 6. Write that 6. That's it. Which means answer will be 693. Now if you look here, 326 into 11. Simple thing. Last digit is 6. Write that 6. Next, 6 plus 2 is 8. Write that 8. Next, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Write that 5. After that you left out with 3. Write that 3. Answer will be 3586. As simple as that. Okay. Now if you look at this one, 4325 into 11. Simple. Start from your right hand side. Last digit is 5. Write that 5. Next, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 will be 7. Next, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Next, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 will be 7. Write this 4. So answer will be 47575. As simple as that. Now if you look at this one, now simple technique, write the last digit. Last digit is 5. Write that 5. Next, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 will be 9. Write that 9. Next, 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 will be 6. Write that 6. Next, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 will be 5. Write that 5. Next, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is nothing but 11. As you're writing always only one digit at a time, even now you're supposed to write only one digit, and one digit will be carry. Okay, always you're supposed to write only one digit. As 3 plus 8 is 11, you're supposed to write only one, and one will be carry. And finally you will be left with 8. So for 8, if you add that 1, it is going to be 9. So answer will be 915695. As simple as that. Okay, let us look at some more interesting techniques with respect to 11 multiplication. Okay, now if you look here, if you observe here, what is 11 into 11? 11 into 11 is nothing but 121, right? Simple thing. What you'll do is like, as you're having 2 and 2, what you'll do is like 1, 2, and you'll go on increasing and then followed by decreasing. Just you'll go on increasing followed by decreasing. That's it. As you have 2 digits, you'll write till 1, 2, and again you'll start decreasing. Now if you observe here, now this is 111 into 111. As you have 3 digits, what you'll do is like 1, 2, 3, and again you'll start decreasing. That is 2, 1. Simple. You'll go on increasing and again you'll slowly start decreasing here. Now if you look here, 4 ones, 4 ones. Now this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and again you'll start decreasing. This will be 3, 2, 1. Okay, the similar technique you'll follow for all the numbers. If it is like something like 5 ones, then what you'll do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simple. Now you may have a doubt, what happens if these are not same? Yes, if these are not same, even I'm going to show you how to solve these questions. Okay, now if you look here, this is 5 digits and 5 digits. Answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and start decreasing. If you start decreasing, this will be 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. Now if you look here, these are not same. If they are not same, then how to solve? Now if you look here I'm going to have 3 digits. Here I am going to have 4 digits. Now the simple technique, what you'll do is like, out of these two, take the smallest. 3, 4, 3 the smallest. So go on writing till 3. So this will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, now next one is like, take the difference between 4 and 3 is like 1. As the difference between 4 and 3 is 1, write the last digit for one more time. Last digit is 3, write this 3 for one more time, and again start decreasing. This will be 2, 1, which means answer will be 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. As simple as that. Okay, now I will show you one more example. If you look here you are having 4 digits and here you are having 5 digits. Smallest number is 4, so write till 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you look here, difference is nothing but 1. As difference is 1, write the last digit for one more time. Last digit is 4, write it for one more time. And again go on decreasing. If you go on decreasing, this will be 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now if you look at one more example, here you are having 3 digits and here you are having 5 digits. Okay. Simple. As 3 is small, write till 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now if you look here, difference between 3 and 5 is like 2. As difference is 2, write the last digit for 2 times. Initially difference is 1, 1. So it is reason I am writing the last digit for 1 time. But now the difference is 2, write the last digit for 2 times. Last digit is 3, write it for 2 times. So 3 and 3. Again go on decreasing. This will be 2, 1. Okay. Simple technique. Now if you look here, in this I am having like 6, but here I am having like 3. I told you always to take the smallest number. So smallest number is 3, write it for till 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now if you look here, difference here is like 3. As difference is 3, write the last number for 3 times. If you write the last number for 3 times, last number is 3, write it for 3 times. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. Again go on decreasing. This will be 2, 1. As simple as that. Okay. Now let us look at one more example if necessary. If you look here, 1 1 into 1 1 1 1. Okay. Simple thing. If you look here, here you have 2 and here you have like 4. Okay. Here you have 2, smallest number is 2, write till 1 and 2. As difference is like 2, write the last digit for 2 times. This will be 2 and this will be 2 and go on decreasing. This will be 1. So answer will be 1 3 2 1. As simple as that. Even if they are like same or even if they are not same, if they are same, you will be following this technique. That is like you will go on increasing and parallel you will go on decreasing, this particular thing. But if they are not same, what you will be doing is like take the smallest number and write till there and take the difference. Once you know the difference, if difference is 1, write the last digit for 1 time. If the difference is 2, write the last digit for 2 times and again go on decreasing. Once you do that, then automatically this calculation will become simple. Now if you observe here, this was one of the questions that was asked in recent competitive examinations. Okay. Now if you look here, they ask you to calculate what is square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now if you look here, to calculate the square root, I need just 2 seconds of time. Why? Because the square root can be calculated in just 2 seconds of time once if I know this logic. Why? Because if you look here, according to this logic, if you are having 2 digits, highest number is 2. If you are having 3 digits, highest number is 3. If you are having 4 digits, highest number is 4. If you are having 5 digits, highest number is 5. Now if you look here, in this highest number is like 6, which means I can say that square root of this number is nothing but 1 1 1 1 1 1. That is like simply 6 ones. Okay. So once if you know this particular logic, then solving square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1 is as simple as that. Hope these techniques are helpful for you. If you think that this session is helpful for you and if you need more of such interesting and smart logics, then please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notification once the video is uploaded. And I need all you guys to share our videos with as many friends as possible. Try to reach the maximum number of persons so that it will be a real booster for me in the next upcoming videos. Until then, have a nice day. Meet in the next session. Bye bye.